we're doing a complete breakdown of OpusClip pricing plans for 2025. In the fast-paced world of content creation, tools that offer speed, automation, and affordability are essential. OpusClip, a leading AI-powered video clipping platform, delivers exactly that, making it a top choice among creators, marketers, and video production teams. But how much does it actually cost? Well, the OpusClip Pro price starts at $29 per month or $289 annually, which offers you a savings of 17% with yearly billing. This plan is ideal for professional content creators, marketers, and agencies who need advanced AI-powered video clipping tools. With OpusClip Pro, users gain access to premium features such as AI P-roll generation, multi-aspect video formatting, animated captions, XML export, social media scheduler, and team workspace support. It is the most cost-effective way to automate, scale, and brand your video content without the need for manual editing. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up, it is free. At least start with the free trial. Now, in case you're wondering, what is OpusClip? Well, OpusClip is an AI video editing and repurposing tool that turns long-form content into short-form clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Its standard features include AI-powered clip editing model, animated captions in 20 plus languages, smart reframing, and multi-aspect export, video generation, team collaboration, scheduling, and social publishing. It is ideal for creators, marketers, podcasters, agencies, and teams aiming to grow their reach without spending hours on video editing. Please take my word for it. If you want to give it a try and find out today.